Absolutely. So much at stake. You dare not blink, because also we know that Egypt have made a number of changes to their starting lineup for their final match against Angola, which starts, of course, at the same time as us. And the other match was in the COSAFA Cup, where both sides, both nations fielded much changed teams. But these are teams that their teammates coming against teammates in this game, so there's absolutely no secret between them, nothing to hide. They know each other very well. And there we go, we are underway then. It's match day 3, Group B of the Total Energies Africa Cup of Nations.
South Africa should be relaxed like this, keep their composure, keep playing like this, and they will get the spaces.
Now, Chancia Moremi took a deflection, and it's gone in. Vicious deflection, and Tsepo Moremi, well, we'll want to claim it, but as we saw, a defended goal last night was given as an own goal. So we'll see how that one is noted down. But the important thing is South Africa break the deadlock.
Who wanted to shoot, but he thought Moreni was in a good position. He gave him the ball. He wanted to put the ball in the corner of the side, but unfortunately deflected, and it's a beautiful goal. Great goal.
And it comes off
Lunga.
Divine Lunga, and will be choked down as an own goal for Divine Lunga. It's a lasting, the worst possible start for Zimbabwe, but the perfect start for South Africa. Get the Angola, where also scored the winner, and this is Fabish. And now stepping in here. This could be dangerous. Great run, and what a goal! Oh, wow! What a strike! For his second international goal. His first goal at the Africa Cup of Nations. Wonderful stuff there from Maswanishe.
Such a delight to watch. Beautiful goal. Individual brilliance. What a goal.
Wonderful piece of skill to dance past his marker. And just like that, it's 1-1.
Danko bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Bafethu, well done to Bafana Bafana, well done to Bafana Bafana. They have shown a great work, bafethu. But let's not forget that they almost lost the game. I think what we can say here, bafethu, hey, this game was difficult, bafethu. It was difficult. At the end, Bafana they won by luck. But look at this. The defender thought he's passing the ball to goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper by the time he was asleep, and then Foster saw the opportunity and used it. If you cannot work as a teamwork, the opponent will show you, I don't want to say it, but bazokubonisa isipoke. Iyona ke lento yabona iZimbabwe bafethu. Well done to Bafana Bafana. Ukuhlakanipha kuka Foster bafethu ukuthi ayicabanga lento ukuthi hayi cha mangabe ngiyohluleka khona. But I don't understand ukuthi Ruby, how come striker sizoscora igoli elifana naleli? Where are you? What are you doing? What are your hands? But anyway, we are happy. Bafana won. Everyone is happy. Because I heard some rumors ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs wanted to buy Ruby as a goalkeeper. But for me, seeing this, I don't think they should buy Ruby, because ibonisa a poor performance. But first, that is a poor performance from Aurubi, and then bese kube naleli goli bafethu. Leli goli nalo I don't have much to say, but what a brilliant play from the opponent Zimbabweans. They played very well bafethu. This is how we want to see entertainment game. Sidinga ukubona kahle kahle ukuthi bafowethu yini edinga ukushintshwa la kuBafana Bafana. Sidinga ukuyibona ngempela lana kuzomela ukuthi uHugo Bruce avula amehlo la, ngoba I understand ukuthi at the back emuva kuvaliwe bafethu, kodwa lapha esiswini kunenkinga. I don't know ukuthi uModiba lana he was looking for VAR ukuthi imsize ngani la. I didn't understand. That's why you saw William, he just sit down, shake his head, because he saw ukuthi hayi bafethu lasishayiwe nje, akuna VAR next. Uyenze imistake goalkeeper walikora. I mean uModiba walikora maqeda ufuna VAR, I don't know for what. And then nayi ke inye futhi inhlanhla, when the opponent is asleep, you have to make sure you finish the game. Washo uJunior Khanye wathini, but I don't know in mayilele onyoka mayifile kumele uyibulale. So I don't know what was the meaning of that, but I see inyoka ifile, kill it. Uyabona, because I don't understand ukuthi why le player leli beli lokhunja belisebenzisa isandla la, because the goalkeeper was going to save that ball. So le defender leli lingikhumbuza uMiguel bafethu. The mistakes that you do, that's how the opponent will punish you. Iyo le mistake eyenziwa opponent naleya futhi eka basubani umchita lona oweSundowns uDivine Lunga, naye uthi wedele emuva kanti sokumoshakele, yabo. So sometimes you need ama defender intelligent akhona ukucabanga njengombokazi. Umbokazi when he is under pressure, he has a ball, he makes sure ukuthi he clears the ball no matter how he kick it, as long as it's not going where to a goal post or to ekhaya, lingaye ekhaya xoshele ngaphandle, as long lize likuphazamise. But ke umbokazi we saw today mabemshaya bafethu, bamshayile namhlanje. Hayi bengiqala ukubona umbokazi bamshaya kanjena bafethu. But well done to the boys, well done to Bafana Bafana. We have seen their efforts, sesabona i-effort yabo abayifakile, but kuningi okusamele kulungiswe la kuBafana Bafana, because ngeke sihlale siwina ngenhlanhla ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kunesikhathi la esoshaka khona bafethu, ozothola ukuthi sothola i-tough opponent engeke uze uthole ngisho nethuba lokuphefumula bafethu, because at least iZimbabwe yalahla, Bafana won, but next time we won't get the chance. Danko.